Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope you're doing fine. In today's video, we're going to show you how to use Facebook Marketplace and sell products. So let's get started. So here you can see this is the Facebook main page. So I'm going to the home, and in the search bar we will click and type this marketplace and we will hit the enter. So here you can see this is the marketplace. From here we can also go to the marketplace. So these are all the stats, listings and all the stuff. You can have a look. So if you click browse market space, so we will have these listings, the products which people are selling all over the world. Okay, so this we can open this listing here, and we can see we will also open this listing, this one. Okay, let's see these listings. So this is the Infinix Note 10 Pro, and it is selling for rupees 14,999 and listed a week ago. Okay, and this is the location, this is the seller, and you can see all this stuff. We will create a listing today and create a Facebook marketplace today and show you in detail how we can do that. So from here, uh, these are the listing images. You can have a look. We will add all this stuff, and this is another product just for your information. I have opened it just to show you, and this one, you can see all the information, the details, the description, the title and everything is here. And this one is the seller which is selling this specific product, and he has joined the Facebook in 2019. Okay, so we can send this message from here. And let's see another product. This one is a car. Someone is selling a car on Facebook marketplace. You can sell whatever you want to sell. This one is the title, description and everything you can see. So okay, let's begin the process of making the marketplace, and we will list our own product here, and you will see how we can uh, go through on the process to sell the products through the marketplace, and then we will do the business on Facebook. Okay, so we will go here and click this. Okay, then we will go on here, and inbox section you can see the seller has contacted me and I have just sent him a message. This is the message we have sent. We will go on buying. This is the buying mode. We can buy stuff from here. This is the commerce profile. Okay, so you can check your commerce profile, your seller ratings and all this stuff will be here. So this is the interface of the Facebook marketplace. So if you are new here, so this video is for you, so you can have a detailed look that how Facebook market looks like and how does it work and what are the features Facebook is providing us and everything. Okay, so here are all the products. You can have a look. People are selling watches, jeans, pants and shoes. So we will need to create a new listing here. We will click here and choose listing type. Okay, so do you want to sell or rent a house? Do you want to sell a vehicle, or do you want to sell an item? So today we're selling an item, so we will click this, and this is the preview section. So here we can preview our item. Here you can add your listing. Your listing preview will be shown here, and here is the option to add the photos of your product and everything. Now we will upload a photo of a product, which is this one I'm choosing. So let's choose this sandwich making product, which we have already downloaded the video and images. Then we will select its title. So you can put the title according to you and your product. So we will just type the sandwich maker, and here is the title. Okay, so we will just simply put the pricing. How much you want to put the prices. You can, according to your product, you can just put the pricing here, and then we'll select the categories, which category it belongs to. Just let's see. Okay, so this category belongs to, okay, so appliances and household. Okay, so we belong to this category and I'm selecting this one is the condition is new, and we can also use select the use condition. The brand name you have to put here. I am putting my brand name Mall of USA, which is my website also. So it is the type of the product. Facebook will give you many options, you can select it, and when you change the category, it will give you options. Okay, so we have to put the brand name again, and now we will put the description here, and you need to put the description according to your product, and to describe your product on the listing. From here I am just copy pasting this sample text from the lorem ipsum site and putting it into the description box. But you don't need to do that. You have to put the original description of your product. This is only a tutorial, so I'm just making a sample listing for you guys. Okay, so I will set this availability, and here we need to add the product tags. We have an option of 20 product tags. So you can put unique 20 product tags according to your product to rank your product according to the search engine optimization of the Facebook marketplace and algorithm. So we will put here random tags according to our like product, which is a sandwich maker, sandwich making products, household products, and let's put a couple of more tags to just justify this listing right now, and the products, and let's see what we can. Okay, mm, so we can put one or two more if we need. So let's try. Okay, this is a sandwich making device. This is an electronic device, so I will put like simple electronics appliances. Okay, so here it is. You can see your tags on your listing is updated in the preview section. Now here is the SKU turn. You can simply put your product code, whatever it is, according to you and your preferences. Okay, so now we will enter the location here according to your city, your location. This wants the seller where to be located, so you can put the location here, and then we can just do this. And this one is the door pickup, door drop off, and hide this from friends. And if you want to enable this, you can do that. Okay, then you just need to hit the next button, and your listing is ready to publish. If you want to list it on your groups, we can also do that from here, and I'm not doing that at the moment, and I just need to publish that. Let's see, everything looks perfectly fine. The image is great, the title description is done, the pricing is there, the tags are there. Just we need to publish the listing. Okay, so we will go on the Facebook help center, and you can see all the settings here. This one is the okay, we will go to the facebook.com, and from here we will go to the marketplace, and here you can see, if you browse the marketplace and you go to the buying, here you can see all the product. This is my commerce profile, you can see, have a look. So this product is listed here. Okay, so this will show up here after publishing. Okay, so I'm publishing this, and okay, so this was the video. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.